description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one. This is cup noodles, buffalo wings with ranch, and I guess I'm gonna see, 4 minutes with room temp water at 1,000 watts and let it chill out for an extra minute. Okay. Look at that stuff. It smells like not a scent that I'm finding to be incredibly wonderful. And there's the fill line. Room temperature water up to there. All right. I don't know. I guess we'll see. So 4 minutes, not 5, 4. And there we go. I guess I should get what do you call it? Oh yeah, they call them bowls. Let's put you over here. And we'll give that one a try. That'll be big. Okay. I was trying to think, what do I garnish this stuff with? And I made some chicken with some soy sauce and paprika. So it kind of looks buffaloed. I don't know. Sounds like a thing. So yeah, today is January 29th, 2026, a day, and went and did all my walking and stuff. I went a different route, did some shopping, gonna do some more walking later. Cloudy. It was supposed to rain all day, but again, I lucked out. It hasn't been raining all day. I didn't get it rained on much, if any at all, which I appreciate that. Alien sky minders. And yeah, I'm so curious how this is gonna be. It's either gonna be or it's gonna be I'm not a particular fan of the whole buffalo wing deal, mainly because it's buffalo wings, you don't get any meat, and if you go out to get them, they're really expensive. I don't know, and I freaking detest Frank's Red Hot. I think that stuff is nasty. I mean, it's so much vinegar. It's why? Yeah. There's 3 different varieties. I thought I would push these out because these are coming out right before Super Bowl. And I think that's on purpose. So there's this one, there's a garlic parm, and then I think it's garlic parm, something parm. And what's the third one? Lemon pepper. I don't know. Why don't they do pizza, cheeseburger, and taco? Everybody wants those 3, but far be it from consumers to ask for something and get it the way they want it. The taco one, I think, would just be loaded with cumin, little bits of beef, a lower fill line so it's thicker, less brothy, and yeah, something like that, you know. Maybe some bell pepper bits in it. I don't know. The cheeseburger, pretty much the same thing, but get rid of the cumin out of that. Little cheesy bits. And then pizza. Alright, we got a minute. And the pizza one, I think you could pull it off. I mean, look at Totino's. They make pizza. It's not even really pizza. It's just like... Well, I guess it is. But you know what I mean. I mean, it wouldn't really be hard. I don't think we need to go the route like the breakfast cup noodles with having bits of, like... The breakfast cup noodle had bits of pancake in it. I don't think we need to go that route for cheeseburger or taco. Taco, you could put tortilla strips in it. That might not be bad. But then you're going to get tortilla soup, so you don't want it too tangy. That would be silly. But I don't know. But it seems like if they're able to figure out how to make all the ones they have thus far, I think pizza, taco, and cheeseburger are viable options, and I think they should get on it now. All right, here we are. Oh, that's something. Okay, so here's what we got. Let's have a look. It's hot, that's for sure. Yeah. Very hot. It smells like somebody took marinara and half a packet of Hidden Valley Ranch dressing mix and mixed it together. Yeah. This is odd. I am not getting, at least scent-wise. Let's see what we got here. Is anybody gonna do a mukbang where they eat like 12 of these? I hope not. I don't know. Well, I shouldn't say anything until I try it, right? I don't want to be one of those people that are like, pumpkin spice, ew, I'm not gonna eat that. No way, not in a million years. Try it, you'll like it. Cheers. Huh. There is a little spicy factor. It's more of an acidity, I would say. It's very acidic, which kind of goes with the whole vinegar, the red douche sauce, the Frank's thing. I don't know. I'm like... It's not coming across to me as like buffalo wings, honestly. It's loosely coming across as ranch. It's like it doesn't want to commit. And there's really nothing going on here insofar as bits. Are those little bits? There's a bit. I don't know what that is. Is that carrot? I vaguely remember seeing carrot. Yeah, right there. It's very tomatoey. That's what I'm getting. I'm not getting... I'm like thinking, okay, I've had wings before, and and I would go with this. Seems like a very, very strange version of Hamburger Helper. That's what I would say. And I would say, like, with somebody who has no culinary no offense to Nissin, okay? What I'm getting is like somebody who went to the bar, got home late, they're stumbling around in the kitchen, and they're like, yeah, I could put that in it. Yeah, I'm going to put that in. Yeah, well, oh, that's not so good. I'm going to put this in it too. Yeah. Oh, there's carrots. Why don't I put some carrots? It makes me think of a pack of instant noodles, a can of minestrone condensed soup that hasn't had the can of water added to it, a little dash of ranch, a little dash of cayenne. There you go. The carrot seems out of place. What seemed like would not be out of place, of course, would be celery. Celery! But I don't know. Here's some chicken. I think I might do one of the other ones tomorrow. Yeah, chicken. Yeah, I wish I would have had some celery, because that would have made sense. One thing though, my daughter really loves ranch. I mean, she's like disturbed about ranch. And I don't know if this is gonna make some people want to barf, but she always asks me when I make her mac and cheese, can I have a little ranch on it? It's like, really? But I'm gonna add a little ranch. I'm sorry, folks, but this is just weird. Very weird. I like weird, but this kind of weird is confusing me weird. And little sesame seed. I don't know. This is a strange thing. I'm stoked I got it. You can only get it at Walmart, which I'm sure they have scads of. I don't know how much a scad is in the National Weights and Measures Department. Probably could tell you. National Institute of Standards? NIST? Anyways, rotate. And there you go. So, yeah, there will be a couple more of these coming soon. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. If you like the fact that I'm bringing you all these weird things and trying them so you don't have to, please, there are links below if you're watching this on YouTube. There's links in the bar above if you're watching on a website, which is www.theramenraider.com. I've got a Patreon. If you chip in $1 a month, if you give me $1 a month, you'd be surprised how far that goes for me, because I'm not a rich guy, and if I had just 10 people who did that, I've got a few people who do that, and I really appreciate it. It would make actually a pretty big difference in my life. So, yeah. All right. Have a good one. Bye-bye.